Right, I decided to have another look at this motor because the one I put in the Revell Lion to replace it really wasn't anything like as fast. So I put this in an electric drill and ran a file over the commutator to level it off again because it was in a bit of a poor state. And as you can see there, nice shiny solder on those tags. I'm going to take a risk and not bother putting that disc over the top of it. I'm sure it has a good purpose, but I'm not going to put it on there. So if I put this back on carefully, without damaging the brushes carefully, you can actually spread them by pushing an implement in that little slot, and that will spread the brushes for you. If I just wiggle it carefully, I can get it in there. Right, so if you remember, I was having to give it a little twist to get it going, whereas now, straight away, you may be able to hear it start. I suppose I could put a bit of plastic on there so you can see it's actually spinning. So that's on a 2S. With a 3S, which is what caused it to burn out. Yeah, much faster. So it looks like we've fixed the motor. So I've got a choice now. Do I put this one back in the Revell Lion, knowing that it will overheat again? I mean, if I don't run it on grass, it'll probably be okay. I think that's what did it, just the extra load of it being on grass. Looks like I could tidy up that soldering as well. Still, that's another issue. Anyway, that's it. We've put the motor back together and we got it working again. I expect somebody will tell me the purpose of this disc that I haven't put back on is to spread the heat and stop it overheating. Anyway, I will save it. I won't throw it away, but I'm not putting it back on at the moment. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.